Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, please subscribe and like my video. Today video is going to be special one as we dive in a topic that holds a special place in our hearts. The beauty of women and the art of embarrassing oneself. So grab a cup of tea. Sit back and let's celebrate the beauty that each and every woman carries within. Number 1. Defining beauty. Before we begin, it defines beauty. Beauty is not just about the physical appearance, it's look confidence, strength, resilience, and kindness. It's about embracing the unique qualities that make each woman stand out. Number 2, the journey of self-discovery. Every woman's journey is like tapestry woven with expensive challenges. It's important of each of us to take the time of understand and appreciate our unique journey of self-discovery. Remember your story is when make you beautiful. Number 3, improvement through self-love. True beauty begins with self-love. It's about accepting yourself, faults and all, and realizing that you are worth of love and respect just the way you are. Embrace your individuality, celebrate your accomplishment, and before provide of the persons you are becomes. Number 4, breaking stereotypes. In a world filled with stereotypes and unrealistic understand, it's a crucial for women challenge these norms. Let's break free from the constraints of society, expectation and evidence. Beauty on your own terms. Number 5, supporting each others. Ladies, let's lift each other up, compliment one another, celebrate each other's success, and provide supporting during challenge times. The beauty of women shine even brighter within your improve and uplift each others. Number 6, embarrassing again. As time goes by, beauty evolves. Less reference against as a beauty process of growth and wisdom. Embracing these love lines, courteous, the memories, the responsibility, and embracing the true beauty is timeless. As we wrap up today, I want to each and every one of you are take a moments to reflect on the unique beauty that resides within you. Remember you are strong, you are resilient, and you are beautiful just as you are. Let's continue to celebrate and uplift one another. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give up it a thumb up. Subscribe to our channels and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay confident and keep shining. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any thoughts or expensive you like to share, leave the comments down below. We love hearing from you. Stay beautiful and we'll show you in the next video. Bye for now.